Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8. With its cutting-edge features and bold design, this smartwatch is set to revolutionize the industry. Let's dive in and uncover the details. Release date. The Garmin Fenix 8 is anticipated to launch in early September, making it a highly anticipated release for fitness enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Garmin usually aligns its product releases with significant global events, so an official announcement is expected by the end of August. This timing allows the brand to build excitement and give potential buyers a glimpse of what's to come before the product becomes available. As we get closer to the release date, you can expect to see more details, promotional content, and sneak peeks from Garmin. These updates will likely highlight new features, enhancements, and improvements over previous models. If you're considering upgrading your current smartwatch or investing in a high-performance wearable, the Fenix 8 might be worth the wait. Keep an eye out for the official announcement to get all the details and make an informed decision. The early September release also positions the Fenix 8 as a strong contender for holiday shopping, so if you're planning to get one, marking your calendar now is a smart move. Design and display. The Garmin Fenix 8 is designed to be both tough and stylish, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. The watch comes in three sizes: -43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, catering to different wrist sizes and preferences. The use of high-quality materials like stainless steel and titanium ensures the Fenix 8 can withstand harsh conditions while maintaining a sleek appearance. One of the standout features is its OLED display, which offers vibrant colors and better clarity, especially in bright sunlight. This display not only enhances visibility but also contributes to improved battery life, making it more reliable during long adventures. Whether you're hiking, running, or exploring, the Fenix 8's robust design and advanced display technology provide a perfect balance of durability and functionality. With this watch, you get both a rugged companion for the great outdoors and a sophisticated accessory for everyday wear. Features. The new smartwatch brings a suite of advanced features designed for both everyday convenience and serious health tracking. A built-in flashlight ensures you can navigate easily in low-light conditions, while heart rate variability tracking provides in-depth health insights. Precision GPS navigation helps you stay on course during any activity. The training readiness feature evaluates your fitness level to tailor workout recommendations. Customizable watch faces let you personalize your device to match your style. The weather app displays current conditions with images, offering real-time updates. With a microphone and speaker, you can use voice commands and make hands-free calls. Additionally, future satellite data support will enhance connectivity, ensuring you stay connected even in remote areas. This smartwatch combines functionality and personalization to meet a variety of needs. Battery life. Impressive battery life is a given, especially with the Enduro 3 model's solar charging capabilities. Enjoy extended battery life and stay powered on the go. Pricing and availability. Pricing details are yet to be released, but expect the Fenix 8 to be available in early September. Stay tuned for more updates and be one of the first to get your hands on this revolutionary smartwatch. The Garmin Fenix 8 is set to redefine the smartwatch game. With its innovative features, bold design, and impressive battery life, this watch is a must-have for any tech enthusiast. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates.